Hello traders, I'm Jason from SureShotFX. Today I have got on the forecast about NAS100 for the upcoming week. But before we look ahead, let's quickly talk about what happened last week with NAS100 market. We'll discuss how the market moved and where it might go next. So starting with current market structure on NAS100 on hourly time frame, we can clearly see that the momentum is clearly bullish. And currently, we are expecting a pullback as this is the beginning of the week. We're expecting an inducement, and then that false inducement might mitigate this demand zone and continue its bullish momentum once again. If we hide our drawings and go to high time frame, what can we see? On high time frame, we can clearly see that market at this point switched from bearish to bullish, and afterwards market clearly respecting the demand zones and pushing upwards. If we go to daily time frame, we can also see that this bearish movement that we saw last couple of weeks was a pullback of this bullish leg. So going on to our hourly time frame and getting our drawings back, we can clearly see that market is going upwards, so our bias will be bullish for the upcoming week. So we are expecting a mitigation of this to demand zone and market may continue from these points. But let's say market breaks out this low, then market will change its direction from bullish to bearish. But this is a less probability because we can clearly see that market took out this almost equal low liquidity and go upwards. And the internal market structure is also bullish, indicating the bullish momentum is still in control. So let's summarize the forecast for you. Once again, NAS100 bias is potentially bullish this week. After finishing the pullback at this point, market continued its bullish momentum and respecting the demand zones. So looking for buy setups at pullback is the best option for us. So from what I see in the charts, I think NAS100 might keep going up this week. We'll see what happens in the market in the next few days. That's all for our NAS100 forecast for this week. Make sure to subscribe to SureShotFX for more helpful information about Forex. I wish you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next video.